What's up, loves? It's your girl Neka SHELLZ here, and I'm back with another video. This is a kinky curly lace closure wig. I put highlights in the hair. The hair really supposed to be blue, but it's looking like it's purple, and the burgundy color really supposed to be magenta. But I didn't leave the bleach on that long, so let's throw the wig on. Nothing fancy. This is not really a tutorial. This is just showing y'all how I just put my wig on. I create a conditioner and water mixture and sprayed it onto the hair, and then I brush the hair out, and that's it. But I'm going to continue to let y'all finish watching the video. Please make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and share. And until next time, my loves. XO.